Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your clock on the Nomo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page and tap on the clocks button down below, and after that you should click on the clock in the My Clock section that you want to edit. Tap on the settings button down below, which is the last option, and here you can find the clock settings, so you can rename your clock if you want to by tapping on it and type in the new name. Then you can change the clock style, such as fresh or classic. The clock color can be updated too. After that you can set the date, time and category. Your weekly savings can be added as well as the hours, so you can keep track of how much money you spend on this habit in a weekly amount. And you can also turn on notifications such as daily count and new chip. And here you can also add a partner that can see your development and your habits. So if you would like to reset it to the default original option, click on the reset clock button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.